Hi guys, today I'm playing Roblox.
Come on, like seriously, what?
Sorry about that person in the background. It's my cousin Jess. She's playing Rainbow Six Siege game.
Yeah, I'm also talking to people too.
And I'm talking to YouTube. So be quiet.
No, I don't have to. I don't have to listen to you at all.
Yes, today's video, if you have very sensitive hearing, then I suggest you would turn this off. And if you don't like fire alarms, I suggest you would turn it off too. Because this is fire alarms. I'm sorry about my skin. Don't worry about that, I'll change it.
Fire alarms.
Yeah, because I like fire alarms. So let's test it. See what it is. You're fine. You work. You work. And does this one work? Yeah, that's a glitch in the game, I think. Just turns on twice. Let's test these ones. So let's do a drill, a test. Should I do alarm controls? That's loud! Jeez! I'll have to turn that down. Say that was safe. Wonder what this does. Okay. Okay. Thank you. What's this one? I don't know which kind of fire alarms they are. I know one of them. You work.
Come on.
Say yes to the world.
What? Ow!
Jess, I just made it. Of course it's hot.
It's broken. It's broken.
Does anybody want to talk?
Come on.
You don't have a microphone?
Huh?
You don't have a microphone?
I do.
That's to pause.
Hello, can you hear me?
Jess, it's to pause.
It's not. Mark
Guys.
even said so himself.
That's one of the phones.
Caught in. Mark has.
Fine, whatever, Jess, right?
Sorry about
Then
that.
how did this other person hear me, huh?
Sorry about that.
Oh, that's on the back. I thought they were like the ones that died. Sorry.
Dang it.
Why is this not working? Okay, I'll have to
Downstairs.
leave the game because you can't reset that one. That must be a glitch now. Because I could reset it all the other times. Now I just can't reset it.
It's not bad. Well, the
Sorry,
processor.
I will do the music fire alarm. Sorry, I will do the music fire alarm if you really like music. And you should watch this video. I'm just going to ignore them ones. Wait, why don't I test? I don't think you can test that one because there is actually a fire in the building sometimes. 0.1% of the time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull. Oh my god.
You guys know this song. Oh, you evil, evil, evil thing.
Okay. What's 5, 6, 7, 8? Wait, let us do 5, 6, 7, 8. You evil thing. Clear. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh. Okay. It was supposed to be the dots too, but
Shed. It's a shed one. Can you quite for a minute? So dang it!
ew.
The wind is howling loud.
Shut up!
Swirling storm
Jane, doing a YouTube
inside.
video.
I don't
Trying
care.
to keep it in. Heaven knows I try.
Right, sorry about that. I will do another YouTube video because that one was messed up.
Seriously?
That was messed up. But we can still do this. Be quiet for a minute.
Oh yeah.
What are you doing?
Touching its booty.
Ew. Wait, let us test the music one and this one can stay on.
Okay.
Because I know quite a few of you guys. I like this because it's music. I actually like this one, but it's not as good. It's not the best one. It's not the best one.
It's the best one.
It's not.
Yeah.
The best one is the next one that I'm going to put on. So, sorry, I'm going to have to turn this one off. You can actually say in the comments if you want us to keep it on. And I will check to see if anyone wants to keep it on next video.
Nobody even watches that unless it's 3 subscribers.
Yeah, but I'm making my channel bigger. Because I've made about 20 YouTube videos this morning. Yes, guys, I've made 20 YouTube videos this morning and I'm posting them up. So, be sure to watch my channel, please.
Look.
I have to silence and reset.
Look, I'm blowing.
So, bye. Bye. I mean, bye, CFP panel. It's not even a CFP panel, but why is there even a silence button? You don't need it. There is no strobe. If Jess even knows what I mean. There is no strobe. Weird fire alarm. Make sure to open this one because normally I don't open it because I just don't realise that I haven't opened it and I just want to press it. Oh, I haven't opened it. Wait, this manual AVAC? Jeez, don't turn that off. Right, no fires it says. This is actually by C-Main. And I will be posting lots of video about C-Main one 999 because he's the one who made this. And I'm sure someone, if I tell him my YouTube channel, if it works, because I'm not a VIP, but yeah, I'm going to see if it works for him. And I am doing YouTube videos and Roblox videos and lots of other stuff.
Yeah.
So, yeah, drill.
Gutsy. Oh yeah.
No way, there's a fire, There's something, I think there is.
Oh yeah. We're the best. Who's the best? You are. Who's the best? You are.
One of you is making a sound.
Oh yes. This kitty is going to win so bad. Nobody even knows who she is.
Isn't this panel?
Take
Is it you?
gonna
Yes. Hey, it's me. The real ones are like, hey, it's me. I know what this one's called. It's a Cfp Fire Alarm, but it doesn't actually have the actual call point. Shush! It's you. I know it is. Stupid thing. Turn off. I know it's him. It's like, hey, it's me. No, it's in here. No. Why is there something in there? I can't even get in there. I will start from the left-hand side. Oh, right. We've tested that one. That one didn't turn off. You have to leave the game.
who's the best? You.
Broken.
Okay, how are we gonna do this? Okay.
I wish that beeping sound would be quiet. Because I don't want to be inappropriate to, like, use as... one and two of the other. I think it's a CFP panel.
Oh.
It's one of the panels. It's a panel, definitely. Reset. Reset. Shush! I don't know if you can hear that through YouTube, the beeping noise, but there's... The last one is my favourite one. If you don't like if you even know what I mean, someone will probably know if I showed them my YouTube video, because our school has one. So, hey, it's me. Oh yeah, this is a glitchy one too. You can't turn it off unless you leave the game. How dare you chuck? How dare you chuck the best man in the world over? Because I love pizzas, especially pepperoni. Oh, pepperoni. This is why I said people with sensitive ears should not listen. This is very loud. I could keep this on all day with how nice it is, but bye bye, I've got to go because my recording's nearly finished. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye!